Best drill bit sharpeners. Keep your tools sharp and ready for action. Drill bits are some of the hardest working tools in any workshop, whether you're a professional craftsman or a DIY enthusiast. Over time, as they are used repeatedly, drill bits can become dull, reducing their effectiveness and accuracy. The solution? A high-quality drill bit sharpener. With the right sharpener, you can restore your drill bits to their original sharpness, saving you money and improving your work efficiency. In this article, we'll explore the best drill bit sharpeners available today, each one offering distinct features that cater to various needs and preferences. From easy-to-use electric models to professional-grade systems, we've compiled a list of the top drill bit sharpeners that will make your life easier and your tools sharper. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 1. Drill Doctor DD750X Electric Drill Bit Sharpener. The Drill Doctor DD750X Electric Drill Bit Sharpener is a well-known favorite among professionals and DIYers alike. Known for its precision, this electric sharpener is designed to handle a wide range of drill bit sizes, from 3/32 inches up to 3/4 inches. It's ideal for sharpening high-speed steel, HSS, cobalt, and carbide bits. One of the standout features of the DD750X is its ease of use. It comes with an adjustable sharpening guide that ensures consistent angles, providing a factory-sharp edge to your bits every time. The sharpener uses a high-speed motor that works quickly, saving you time while ensuring excellent results. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or other tough materials, this sharpener ensures that your drill bits are ready for the job. Another great feature is its vacuum system, which helps keep your work area clean by catching debris and dust as you sharpen. The sharpener's user-friendly design makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals who need reliable, consistent sharpening. Number 2. Drill Bit Sharpener Tormek DBS22. For those who demand the highest level of performance, the Tormek DBS22 Drill Bit Sharpener is a top-tier option. Tormek has a long history of producing high-quality sharpening systems, and the DBS22 is no exception. This sharpener is designed to offer superior precision, making it ideal for professionals and serious hobbyists. What sets the DBS22 apart is its ability to sharpen both right and left-hand drill bits, which is a valuable feature for those who work with different types of drill bits. Additionally, the DBS22 uses a wet grinding system, which prevents overheating and ensures that your bits maintain their integrity during sharpening. Number 3. Drill Bit Sharpener Multi-Purpose Drill. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers great results, the Drill Bit Sharpener Multi-Purpose Drill is worth considering. This sharpener offers simplicity and functionality, making it ideal for DIYers and those who need a basic tool for occasional sharpening. This sharpener is compatible with various types of drill bits, including high-speed steel, HSS, cobalt, and carbide. It features a simple grinding wheel that restores the cutting edges of your drill bits with ease. The tool also comes with a built-in angle guide, which helps you achieve the correct sharpening angle for consistent results. Despite its affordable price, the multi-purpose drill bit sharpener delivers good performance and is compact enough to be easily stored in a workshop or garage. It's a solid option for casual users who don't want to spend too much on a sharpening system, but still want to maintain their drill bits in working order. Number 4. Drill Doctor X2 Drill Bit and Knife Sharpener with Removable Guide System. The Drill Doctor X2 Drill Bit and Knife Sharpener is a versatile tool that serves multiple purposes. Not only can it sharpen drill bits, but it also features the ability to sharpen knives, which is a great bonus for those who need a multifunctional tool. With its removable guide system, users can adjust the sharpening angle for precise results, making it a valuable tool for both drill bits and knives. The Drill Doctor X2 is compatible with drill bits ranging from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, which makes it perfect for home users and small professionals. The adjustable guide ensures that each bit gets sharpened at the correct angle, which is essential for achieving a clean and sharp cutting edge. Additionally, the compact design makes it easy to store and convenient for everyday use. Number 5. MRCM Mr. 13A Adjustable Drill Bit Sharpener. The MRCM Mr. 13A Adjustable Drill Bit Sharpener is a fantastic option for those who require a higher degree of precision in their sharpening process. This sharpener offers an adjustable angle mechanism, allowing you to fine-tune the sharpening angle to suit your specific needs. The MRCM Mr. 13A is versatile enough to sharpen a variety of drill bit sizes and types. Whether you're working with HSS, carbide, or cobalt bits, this sharpener ensures that each bit is restored to a sharp, usable condition. The sharpener is designed for professionals and those who need to maintain a wide range of drill bits. What sets the MRCM Mr. 13A apart is its ability to achieve a precise, consistent edge with minimal effort. The adjustable angle system ensures that you can match the specific geometry of your drill bits, which is crucial for achieving the best possible sharpness. This sharpener is perfect for anyone looking for customization and precision in their sharpening process. Number 6. Drill Bit Sharpener Professional and Polishing. For those who want a professional level finish on their drill bits, the Drill Bit Sharpener Professional and Polishing tool is a great option. This sharpener uses a grinding wheel to restore and polish the edges of your drill bits, ensuring that they're ready for use in a variety of materials. The professional-grade polishing ensures that your drill bits maintain their sharpness for longer periods, reducing the need for frequent sharpening. The sharpener is easy to use and delivers consistent results every time. It's perfect for those who want to ensure that their drill bits remain in top condition even after extensive use.